Today I will learn you how to link bootstrap CDN in HTML. Open HTML editor. I open Atom and then create a new folder. I create the folder in the desktop. Then open Atom and add folders. In desktop you'll find the folder and select folder and then create a new file HTML index.html. Enter. Now open Chrome browser and search get bootstrap. Here you will find the first link of get bootstrap website. Open the website and select the version 5.1.3. At the left side you will find download, then scroll down and copy the link here. Paste below the title and you can remove the extra element here. Again go to the Chrome browser and here you will find bootstrap min.js. Copy the script file and paste below the link. Here for example I'll show you a navbar. Copy the navbar and paste. Copy full path and paste Chrome browser. This is the full responsive. Thanks for watching.